It's time to get festive for the holidays. There's no better place to do that than here in Fort Atkinson. Olivia AULT is the tourism manager here in Fort Atkinson, and you have brought us to the beautiful Fireside Theater. You guys are getting ready for the holidays.
We are. AULT the musical is on stage until December 23rd. When you come to the Fireside, you get a fantastic meal, live theater, and you can even do some of your holiday shopping right here.
It's really the trifecta of everything you need for the holidays, right?
Absolutely. If you want to get in the spirit, this is a place to be.
And Olivia's already there. Check out these ears. The winter adventure continues here in Fort Atkinson. So we've done the shopping, now on to one of my favorites, the recreation.
Absolutely. We're here at Two Rivers Bicycle and Outdoor, where you can take an indoor spin class, but they also offer rentals, so you can do everything outdoors during the winter as well.
Nice.
Ice skates, snowshoes, cross-country skis, all that good stuff.
Now we just need some snow, right?
Absolutely.
Bring on the snow. And a great idea for maybe your adventure seeker person on your holiday gift list.
Yes, they have great gift options here, as well as their gift cards, which can be used at their rentals all through winter.
I like it. Well, now for the fun part. Mark your calendars, Saturday, December 1st. It's truly shopping at its finest.
Absolutely. It's our annual holiday open house and market. All of our retailers have in-store specials. There'll be live music, strolling carolers, hay rides with Santa. There's 7 indoor market locations where you can find handcrafted gifts and goodies for everybody on your list. Family event, absolutely.
I love it. Get the gifts, please the kids. It's perfect. All right, don't forget. All right, here's our surprise. I'm Emmy Fink, and you're buzzed into
Script change.
Oh, that's right, Fort Atkinson.